Sa differential equations, ang unang topic natin ay general and particular solution. So, anong pinagkaiba ng general and particular solution? Sa general solution, kukunin mo lang yung integration ng given equation. Samantala, kapag particular solution, kukunin mo yung value ng c. Kapag nag-integrate ka, diba may value ng c? At isa-substitute mo lang sa general solution mo, given the initial value problems. So, let's say, for example, we have 3dx plus y dy equals 0. The first thing that you have to do is integrate the given equation. So, 3 integration ng dx plus integration ng y dy is equal to 0. So, 3dx, integration nito ay 3x, ito naman, 1 half y squared is equal to c. Wag mong kalilimutan yung paglalagay ng c kapag nag-integrate ka. Para mas maging simple yung terms natin, i-multiply natin both sides by 2. You will have 6x plus y squared is equal to c. Bakit naging c na lang? Nasaan yung 2? Anything na constant na i-multiply mo sa c ay c pa rin. So let's say for example, you have 2c or ln c or pi c or ec. Lahat yan equal sa c. Kapag naman nag-multiply ka ng x at y sa c, magiging cxy yan. Kasi yung x at y, variable yon, hindi siya constant. Okay. So, itong cx plus y squared equals c natin, yan ay may tuturing natin as our general solution. So, paano naman yung particular solution? I-insert mo lang yung initial value problems natin, which is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3 dito sa general solution natin. So, you'll now have 6 times 0 plus 3 square is equal to c, where the value of c is 9. Right? So, itong c is equal to 9, i-plug in lang natin sa general solution natin to get our particular solution. So, meron ka ng cx plus y squared is equal to 9. This is your particular solution. And this is your general solution. Okay, problem number 2. 2y dx is equal to 3x dy, where the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So, sa general and particular solution, para siyang separations of variables. Hindi, separations of variables talaga siya. Yun yung susunod na chapter yon, ma-encounter nyo yung separation of variables. So, ang una mong gagawin ay pagsamasamahin mo yung magkakaparehong terms. So, 2dx over x is equal to dy over y. Bakit naging ganon? I-multiply mo lang both sides yung equation natin by 1 over xy and mag-a-arrive ka sa equation na to. So, integrating both sides, you will have 2 integration ng dx over x is equal to 3 integration ng dy over y. Meron ka ng 2 ln x is equal to 3 ln y. Of course, plus c. Ngayon, pwede kong sabihin, parang mas maging simple yung term ko, ay 2 ln x is equal to 3 ln y plus ln c. Katulad ng sinabi ko kanina, kahit magdagdag ka dyan ng ln sa c mo, constant pa rin siya. So, hindi yan magbabago. So, sa law ng logarithm, pwede mong sabihin na ito ay ln y cube plus ln c at ito naman ay ln x squared. Tama? Para mas maging simple pa ulit, pagsamahin natin itong dalawa. ln cy cube is equal to ln x squared. Ngayon, okay na, 'di ba? Ang gagawin naman natin ay i-erase natin tong ln x squared, ln cy cube sa e. So, paano 'yon? Pwede mo sabihin na e raised to ln x squared is equal to e raised to ln cy cube, where e raised to ln is equal to c, 'di ba? E raised to ln, e raised to ln at ln e, lahat yan is equal to 1, 'di ba? Kapag naman ln 1, 0 yan. Kaya pwede mo sabihin na ang yung equation mo ay x squared is equal to cy cubed. Ito na yung general solution mo. Gen solution. Ngayon may initial value problems tayo, where x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So, paano gagawin natin yan? Para makuha natin yung particular solution, insert lang natin sa general solution natin. So, meron kang x squared is equal to cy cubed, where the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So, c is equal to x squared over y cubed, plugging in the values, 2 squared over y cubed, which is 3 cubed. Ang mangyayari dyan ay magiging c is equal to 4 over 27. So, plug in the values of c is equal to 4 over 27 sa general solution natin. You will arrive at x squared is equal to 4 over 27 ng y cubed. Ayan yung sagot mo. Ito yung particular solution. So, next problem natin, we have dx is equal to t times the quantity of 1 plus t squared close quantity secant square x dt. First thing that you have to do is pagsamasamahin natin yung mga magkakaparehong variables. Paano yun? Ito, t1 plus t square times dt. As is lang yan, dyan lang yan. Ito, ililipat natin dito. So, multiplying both sides by 1 over secant square x will have dx is equal to secant square x times t1 plus t square dt. Alam naman natin na cosine square x is equal to 1 over secant square x. Palitan natin. So, cosine square x dx is equal to t times 1 plus t square dt. Ngayon, kapag nag-integrate tayo dito, hindi mo siya magagawa. Walang direct integration yan. Kailangan i-transform mo muna yung cosine square x into something na ma-integrate mo. Ito naman dito, ma-integrate mo siya by u substitution. Ililet mo to ng u para makuha mo yung pinaka-integration yan. So, ito muna tayo. Cosine square x, pwede mong sabihin na 1/2 1 plus cosine 2x, di ba? So, ang mangyayari dyan, insert mo lang yung mga values yan. So, 1/2 1 plus cosine 2x dx is equal to t 1 plus t square dt. Sa equation na yan, ma-integrate na natin. Pero ito kailangan, ilet muna natin to ng u. So, dito naman, gagawin natin ay ilet natin ng u yung 1 plus t square. So, du mo is equal to 2t dt. Diba? T dt mo, ayan. Pwede sabihin, 1/2 du is equal to t dt. So, ayan. Pasok na natin sa pinaka-values natin. Sa equation pala. So, 1 plus cosine 2x dx is equal to 1/2 t dt, 1/2 ng du, 1 plus t square is u. Cancel na natin to. Dito, ma-integrate na natin siya. Diba? Ma-integrate na natin yan. Ay, may integration na pala. Yan, ma-integrate na natin yan. So, integration ng 1 plus cosine 2x dx ay x plus 1/2 ng sine 2x. Dito naman, 1/2 u square. Diba? Where the value of u is 1 plus t square. Pwede natin sabihin na 1 plus t square plus c. Tama? Para mas maging simple in terms, multiply natin both sides by 2. So, 2x plus sine 2x is equal to 1 plus t squared squared plus c. Ito na yung answer mo. So next problem, we have the quantity of 1 plus ln x closed quantity dx plus the quantity of 1 plus ln y closed quantity dy is equal to 0. First thing that you have to do is to i-multiply, i-distribute muna natin yung dx at dy. So, dx plus ln x dx plus dy plus ln y dy equals 0. So, ito, integration nito ay, diba? Yan. Integration nito ay x. Ito naman wala. Wala siyang direct integration. So, gagawin mo dyan, integration by parts. Integration by parts, tatandaan mo yung lie8. Where L stands for logarithm, I inverse, A algebraic, T trigonometric, and E exponential. Kung ano yung mauna dyan sa lahat ng yan, yun yung isaset mo as U. Yung pangalawa naman as dV. Where sa U, magdiderive ka, sa dV, mag-integrate ka. Dito, ln x dx, ano na una? Diba dito? Logarithm. Yung dx, yun yung dv natin. So, u is equal to ln x, dv natin is equal to dx. Tama? Ito naman, derivative nito ay dx over x. Ito naman, v is equal to x. Sa integration by parts, tatandaan natin yung uv minus the integration of v du. So, pwede mo nang sabihin na ito x, ito dx, x, ito naman uv, x ln x, minus v du, minus x dx over x. Diba? Ito naman, integration nito, y. Dito sa ln y dy, wala. Mag-integration by parts ka. Ibayin natin yung variable. Gawin natin naman, burahin ko na lang to para mas madali. So, yung u mo dyan ay is yung ln y. Yung du mo, dy. Dv mo, dy. Derivative ng ln y ay dy over y. Integration naman ng dv equals dy is equal to v is equal to y. Tama? So, plug in the values lang. So, we have uv minus v du. Yan, diba? Closed quantity is equal to, since nag-integrate ka na, bigyan mo na ng c. Okay. So, we have x plus x ln x. Ito, cancel. Integration ng dx ay x plus y ln y minus, cancel, y is equal to c. Combining similar terms, cancel to, x minus x, y minus y, will have x ln x plus y ln y equals c. Next problem, we have y prime over y is equal to 4 cosecant square 2x cotangent square x. Alam naman natin na ang y prime is equal to dy over dx. So, pwede mo nang sabihin na dy over dx times 1 over y is equal to 4 cosecant square 2x cotangent square x. Ngayon, pag sama-samahin mong magkakaparehong terms, multiplying both sides by dx, you will have dy over y is equal to 4 cosecant square 2x cotangent square x dx. Ang cotangent square x, diba? Tama, cotangent square x ay equivalent to cosine square x at sine square x. Tulad nga na sinabi namin sa inyo, kasi differential equations, kailangan alam nyo yung pasikot-sikot ng trigonometric functions and identity para hindi kayo mahirapan. Magiging madali lang itong DE kapag alam nyo yung foundation na yon. So, dito naman, cosecant square 2x paano yan itatransform? So, pwede mo sabihin na cosecant square 2x is equal to 1 over sine square 2x. Tama? Pareho lang yan eh. Cosecant, sabihin mong cosecant x is equal to 1 over sine x. Pareho lang yon. Eh, naka-square naman, so square na rin natin para hindi na tayo mahirapan. At alam natin na ang sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cosine x. So, insert natin tong value na to. So, cosecant square 2x, yan, cosecant square 2x is now equal to 1 over 2 sine x cosine x square. Square natin. Cosecant square 2x is equal to 1 over 4 sine square x cosine square x. So, itong tinransform natin, insert natin dito para ma-integrate natin. So, dito magiging dy over y is equal to 4 cosecant square 2x ay 4 sine square x cosine square x 1 times cotangent square x, ito, cosine square x over sine square x course dx. Cancel. Matitira, cancel na rin. Matitira, dy over y is equal to dx ng sine 4x. Itong sine 4x, wala siyang direct integration. So, itatransform mo siya ulit into something na ma-integrate mo. Sine 4x, pwede mo sabihin na cosecant x is equal to 1 over sine x ay naka-square. So, gagawin mo ay naka-raise sa 4. So, cosecant 4x equal to sine 4x. Paano yun? Alam natin na itong dy over y is equal to 1 over sine 4x dx. So, insert lang natin itong value na to. So, dy over y, ito na, pasok natin, is equal to integral of cosecant 4x dx. Pero hindi natin siya ma-integrate agad. So, ang gagawin mo, gagawa ko ulit ng paraan paano mo siya ma-integrate para mas maging simple. Itong cosecant 4x, pwede mong sabihin na cosecant square x times cosecant square x dx dy over y. Diba? So, burahin ko na muna to lahat para magkasya. Burahin ko na to. So, ito na ang panibago mong equation. Sulat natin dito. dy over y is equal to cosecant square x dx. So, ayan. Ang gagawin mo naman, para ma-integrate mo siya, transform mo tong cosecant square x. Alam mo naman na ang cosecant square x is equal to 1 plus cotangent square x. So, ano ba yan kuya? Ba't puro transform? Eh, ganun talaga para makuha mo yung pinaka-integral nung o integration ng given equation mo. Kailangan marunong ka mag-manipulate. Kahit anong ibigay sa'yo, mapapasikot-sikot mo. So, ito, 1 plus cotangent square x times cosecant square x dx times dy equals dy over y. Kung gagawin mo na, distribute mo muna to para madalian ka. dy over y is equal to cosecant square x dx plus integral of cotangent square x cosecant square x dx. Ito, may direct integration yan. Negative cotangent x. Ito naman, may integration din. ln y. Ito, walang direct integration. So, maglilet ka dito ng u. Anong ililet mo ng u? Yung cotangent x. Kasi, alam mo na yung derivative ng cotangent x ay negative cosecant square x dx na pwede mong ilipat siya dito. 'Di ba? Pwede nang ganon. So, rewriting the equation dy over y is equal to cosecant square x dx plus, naglit ka ng u, which is cotangent x, magiging u square times du. May negative sign, so negative na to. So, integrating the equation, you'll have ln y is equal to negative cotangent x minus 1/3 ng u cube plus c, where the value of u is cotangent x. Diba? So, cotangent x. Yan. Para mas maging simple in term yung answer mo. Sagot na yan eh, pero yung ibang prof kasi, kailangan ayaw nila ng may, basta may fraction. So, 3 ln y is equal to negative 3 cotangent x minus cotangent cube x plus c. This is your final answer. So, here's the last example for general and particular solution. Ang gagawin natin dyan, y prime is equal to dy over dx, diba? So, e raised to 2x plus 4 times dy over dx is equal to y. So, multiplying both sides by dx over y times e raised to 2x plus 4 para magkakasama-sama yung mga pare-pareho yung terms. So, dy over y is equal to dx over e raised to 2x plus 4. Integrate natin. Kapag i-integrate to, may direct integration yan. ln y. Samantalang ito, wala siyang direct integration. So, gagawa ka ng paraan para ma-integrate mo siya. So, ang gagawin kong paraan, bumultiply ako sa numerator and denominator ng e raised to negative 2x. Bakit kuya ba't may dinagdag ka? Ito, equivalent sa 1 yan. So, kahit i-insert mo yung value na yan, hindi magbabago yung mismong equation mo. Magbabago lang yung mismong function mo para ma-integrate mo siya. So, dito, ang mangyayari na dyan ay integration ng e raised to negative 2x dx times 1 plus 4e raised to negative 2x times equals dy over y. Bakit naging ganyan? Sa law ng product rule yata, basta sa exponent, kapag nagmultiply ka ng, bakit naging 1? Halimbawa, e raised to 2x plus 4 times e raised to negative 2x. Diba? Kapag binultiply natin yan, e raised to 2x times e raised to negative 2x plus 4e raised to negative 2x. Tama? Sa law ng exponent, i-add mo yan dalawa. Yung i-add mo exponent, same yung base nila, diba? E raised to 2x plus negative 2x plus 4e raised to negative 2x. 2x plus e raised to negative 2x ay e raised to 0, which is e raised to 0 is equal to 1. Kaya may 1 dyan. Plus 4e raised to negative 2x. Yun. Ngayon, ang gagawin mo na, para ma-integrate mo siya, ililit mo yung denominator ng u. Usually naman, parating kapag fraction, ang nililit ng u, yung denominator. Kapag fraction yun so, u is equal to 1 plus 4e raised to negative 2x. So, derivative nito ay 0 minus 8e raised to negative 2x dx. e raised to negative 2x dx is now equal to negative 1 over 8 du. Ayan. Insert mo lang yung mga given values sa equation mo. So, dy over y is equal to negative 1/8, diba? E raised to negative 2x dx, negative 1/8 ng du over ng u. So, cross multiply, eto, lipat natin doon. So, 8 dy over y is equal to negative du over u. Integrate na natin. 8 ln y is equal to negative ln u, where the value of u is 1 plus 4e raised to negative 2x. Palitan na natin. 1 plus 4e raised to negative 2x. Of course, plus c. Ngayon, para mas maging simple ulit yung terms, lipat natin to dito. 8 ln y plus ln 1 plus 4e raised to negative 2x is equal to c. Sa law ng logarithm, pwede mo siyang pagsamahin, di ba? Pwede mo siyang pagsamahin kapag addition, ibig sabihin, nakamultiply itong pinaka-ano nila, makamultiply yan. So, ito, dito, pwede mo lang sabihin na ln, ito, 8 ln y, ln y raised to 8. Law ng logarithm yan. Times 1 plus 4e raised to negative 2x is equal to c. So, i-raise natin to sa e para mas maging simple pa yung sagot. So, y raised to 8 times 1 plus 4e raised to negative 2x is equal to c. Kaya ba't naging ganun? Yung ln e, yung e raised to ln, or yung ln e, equivalent niya 1. ln 1, equivalent niyan 0. Ngayon, tulad ng sinabi ko, kahit erase mo yan sa e, yung c mo, c pa rin siya. Hindi siya magbabago. So, kuya, di ba kanina nilagay mo, eto sagot na to. Di ba? Sagot na yan eh. Kanina, kuya, ang ginawa mo, kapag puro ln, ginawa mong lnc to. Pero sasabihin ko sa'yo, kahit gawin nating lnc to, pareho pa rin, mag-a-arrive pa rin tayo sa same answer. Paano yon? Sige, burahin ko lang to. Yan, diba? Ito yung, sige, dito ko na lang dito na lang ako mag-start. Gagawin kong LNC to para sabi ko sa inyo na pareho lang yung magiging answer. So, 8 lny is equal to negative ln times 1 plus 4e raised to negative 2x plus lnc. Diba? Okay, ayusin natin. So, ito, pwede mo na sabihin na ln y raised to 8. Ito naman, lnc minus ln 1 plus 4e raised to negative 2x. Kulad ng sinabi ko sa inyo, kapag may nakita kang lna plus lnb is equal lang yan sa lnab. Kapag naman lna minus lnb, equivalent yan, ln a over b. Tama? Okay. So, dito, ganun din yung gagawin natin. So, ln y raised to 8 is equal to ln c over 1 plus 4e raised to negative 2x. So, raising this equation by e, pwede mo sabihin na e raised to ln y raised to 8 is equal to e raised to ln ng c over 1 plus 4e raised to negative 2x. So, e raised to ln, 1 lang yan. Pwede mo sabihin na y over 8 is equal to c over 1 plus 4e raised to negative 2x. So, cross multiplication, you'll have y raised to 8, 1 plus 4e raised to negative 2x is equal to c. So, ayan na. Ayan, pareho lang yung sagot natin. So, sa differential equations, ang kailangan mong matutunan at gawin ay mag-practice ka lang na mag-solve. Kasi kapag nag-solve ka na kapag anong binigay sa'yo, ay magkakamukha na lang yan. Magagawan mo na siya ng paraan. So, ayun. Dito na mag-e-end yung general and particular solution.